When designing mechanical assemblies, the question we ask is, will it fit? And the answer is in the tolerances we apply to each component. Manufacturing tolerances can have a significant impact on cost and quality. You can make trade-offs between manufacturing and assembly tolerances to reduce cost, whilst ensuring a proper fit. However, calculating tolerance stack-ups manually is time-consuming and it can introduce errors. Autodesk Inventor tolerance analysis is designed to help you verify manufacturing tolerances for consistent fit and maximum part interchangeability during the early design stages, to ensure that your design can be manufactured with the minimum rework or errors. Tolerance analysis for Inventor helps you to understand the mechanical fit and performance of your design based on your dimensional tolerances. Each stack-up analysis captures the relationships defined in the assembly model, accurately calculating the cumulative effects of geometric dimensions and tolerances included in the stack-up loop. Tolerance analysis can associatively read in tolerance values that you have already specified when you applied 3D annotation to your model to create a model-based definition, including GD&T. Tolerance values can be evaluated and edited directly inside the tolerance analysis panel, keeping your stack-up analysis and 3D annotation in sync with your drawings, eliminating inconsistencies and streamlining the process between design and manufacturing. Review a list of contributing dimensions and note the percentage impact of each dimension's tolerance in the stack-up loop. Calculate the worst case, RSS and statistical results of the analysis. Don't wait until your design hits the factory floor to get feedback on your tolerancing scheme. Confirm the design tolerances on key characteristics are within the capabilities of your planned manufacturing processes. Communicate analysis results to manufacturing and quality engineering by creating a summary report from tolerance analysis to show your internal and external suppliers the objectives and results of each stack-up analysis, along with a visual indication of whether the requirements have been satisfied. Tolerance analysis in Autodesk Inventor helps you to take advantage of new workflows to reduce design time and improve collaboration between engineering and manufacturing, whilst balancing cost and quality.